tense. The verb that refers to an action in the present time is said to be in the simple present tense. To be singular plural. I am, we are, you are, he, she, it, is, they are. To have, singular plural. I have, we have, you have, he, she, it, has, they are. To walk, singular, plural. I walk, we walk, you walk, he, she, it walk.